This video tutorial I will cover how to inject list collection having dependent object using Spring Dependency Injection by Constructor. Here I have defined a class fruit. It has two properties, name and color, and it has a fruit constructor which accept name and color. And here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined a class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and list of available fruits. In list collection, we can add dependent object fruit. And it has a fruit shop constructor which accept shop name and list of available fruits. And it has display fruit shop info method. This is a Spring configuration file. Here we have specified using constructor dependency injection, Spring container should create fruit1 object, fruit2 object and fruit shop object. Name of the fruit1 object should be apple and color should be red. Name of the fruit2 object is grapes and color is violet. And shop name of fruit shop object is fruit mart, and it will contain list of available fruits as fruit1 and fruit2. This list element is used to define the list and it refers to fruit1 and fruit2. Here type attributes specify string and list. This constructor which accept string and list. So shop name and list of available fruits will be set by the Spring container by calling this constructor. What object to instantiate, what object to configure and how to configure. These information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example we have specified fruit1 object, fruit2 object and fruit shop object. These objects should be created by Spring container using constructor dependency injection. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and creates fruit shop object and configure the fruit shop object and manage the complete life cycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the Spring container has called these constructors and shop name is set as fruit mart, and here you can see the list of available fruits.